tell you about copy, how to copy anything. Like I want to copy 11th table. Come here and erase it and write 11. Then press shift and come down. Okay, and come. Okay, then press control and press C. Then copy. Then come here and press here and then press Ctrl V. This is copy. Then I will paste it like this. You can see how I paste it like this. Okay, then like this. Okay, then you can write the answer here. Okay, you want anything, copy it. Okay, this is my fourth video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon.